All right, guys, so as you can see, I got myself an RX8. What is up, YouTube? Back in the garage. What do you think, Matt? How's it looking?
Is that the LS?
The engine is out, and I am glad. It's starting to look like a V8 could fit in this thing now, so that's good news. Don't try this at home. Officially going to put the LS into the RX8. The LS is in with the transmission, and the motor mounts are all bolted up. So we can see how far forward the shifter is. That's fine, I expected that. Plenty of space for an exhaust down here. I'm very happy about that.
What are we doing, Nick? What are we doing today?
Dropping subframe.
The sub of the frame. Oh.
Oh, oh, oh.
This is how you remove your subframe.
Pulling that baby out. Car. Time pack. Dude, is that freaking mint or what? That is clean. Man, it is looking good.
is looking like a show car, even though I don't need it to. What is up, YouTube? Today is the day.
I can see flames out of all 4 cylinders.
Really?
What up?
This is the easy part. Yesterday we had to do all the hard stuff.
Doing all the mods.
Well, I had to do all the hard stuff, and now I'm letting Nick.
A whole lot of Wii around.
Now I'm
here.
letting Nick install the fun stuff. For the most part, this thing is drivable. Yeah, I mean, this thing should be able to rip.
What up, Mike?
Good, Nick. What's up? What are we doing?
We are taking this car to the junkyard because Cade's done with it. That boy's wide. It's coming out, boy. Dude, that's sick. Sick, dude. Ready to drift.
What do you think, Kate?
I'm excited.